I'm also having my specs. You know, she's wearing specs. You can't wear your specs alone. So come, darling. I'll hold your hand.
I should be holding
You're
your
a
hand.
queen. You're a queen, man.
We are the queen.
This is the best moment I'm ever having. She's making me to work out. Actually, it's a walk.
So shall we done? On your marks. On
No,
your
no.
marks.
A glamorous woman running. So this is so refreshing. I know we need oxygen and the environment, trees, greenery that always inspire us. I think you need all this, right?
I think nature,
Yeah.
nature talks. I feel birds talk to me, the trees talk to me.
For holidays, where you go?
I love traveling, and my husband loves choosing all the most eclectic places.
Romantic?
No,
No.
please. I don't even look like a romantic.
No, that's
I always
why.
see where I can get my good workout in.
And meditation.
You know what I do? Every country I go to, I discover the city by running in the mornings.
Oh.
I run and I discover the city.
Yes, we get to know more about the city.
Yeah,
Right?
it's a nicer way to do it when you're on foot. So I love doing that.
Cars lover?
No, I'm okay. I'm not
No
a big
fancy feelings?
No. The only fancy thing I like is my clothes. I love fashion. I think for me it's an extension of my personality. Even if it's a crisp white shirt and blue jeans, it has to be the top notch. For me, a sense of style and fashion is very important. It's an extension of my personality.
So you're not a romantic woman. How can a fashionable woman is not romantic?
I'm emotional.
That's the thing.
But I don't know about romantic. I don't believe in being romantic.
But the environment is so romantic. I feel like
So yeah,
romantic.
you and I can be romantic with each other. We
Yeah,
don't.
girls can be romantic, right? Did you remember how you got proposal or something? We can, feel good factor. How you been proposed for a marriage or you got a dream of your man. I mean, dream man.
Now since I'm married, I have no choice. But I think my poor husband has tolerated me and has generally done everything that I've ever asked for. Whether he has been pushed to doing it or doing it wantingly is a different thing.
He just proposed to you. I want to marry you. Did you date it or went out?
Oh yeah,
Nothing?
yeah. We dated for a while, but I think it was a very a conscious decision by the two families. The families knew each other, so yeah, it was like that. I think I had told him how to do it.
You told him.
Like, this is what I want. This is what I dreamt of. So you have to do it like that. So yeah.
Like normally we do not sit on the knees. Will you marry me? Like this?
Yeah,
or-
all of that happened, yeah.
So these are best moments of your life, you think?
I think every moment in my life is beautiful. Like right now, what we're doing.
Yes, that's a
I
good
think
thing.
it's a very interesting and a refreshing change than sitting in a confined
Yeah,
room
I'm
and
like
doing
a-
an interview because it's so boring.
Even I'm person like this going here and there, bamboo.
Yeah.
Chinna monkey.
So I think this is really, really nice, and yeah. So I think we need to thrive in having every moment, the small moments in life that matters. Great conversations are
Yes.
for me something that I will always hold on to. Yeah, so
So what are the 3 manifestations now going in you? Because what you manifest, you get it. What 3 things you're planning now I should get in the coming future?
no, I can't say that because manifestations for me are meant to be within my system.
No outside. Secret should not go outside.
Yeah, before it happens, never tell anybody. That's another piece of advice for you. Keep it zipped up.
True, true.
So I feel till you get things done, don't tell people. You never know who is
Yes.
wanting good for you. So just.
Did you want to go for a full-fledged Hindi movies, Bollywood?
I love my movies in the South. I think
Because all the Bollywood are coming here and you,
I feel at home
after
here.
OG and Silver, Salar.
For me, as long as it's a great movie, it doesn't matter to me. But I just enjoy doing great films. So where they come from, I don't mind. But I feel at home here. The seldom few films that I do, I feel so much at home in my hometown in Chennai, doing Malayalam films or Telugu films or wherever. I feel comfortable here.
Oh,
Yeah, it doesn't really matter where I go or what I do, as long as I get to play interesting characters and try and empower even if one person gets empowered watching my performance, is when I feel I've done something good in life.
Good. And at last, I just wanted, we always ask 4-5 actresses or actor, one line questions. Start with actresses.
Okay.
Smita Patil. One line.
Beautiful.
You know, when I'm remembering of Smita Patil, I don't know, I can see her in something there related to Samantha,
A go-getter.
Madhuri Dixit.
That song where the dil duck 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 whatever.
Okay.
Her smile is so beautiful.
Sridevi.
Icon.
Icon.
Yeah.
Ravina Tandon.
Dil cheese. Mast.
Mast girl.
The must.
Mast
She looks
girl.
so stunning even to today.
So Rashmika.
She's fabulous, I think.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, we are done with. Now actors will say your favorite. Jagpati Babu.
Oh, he's my daddy
Oh yeah.
in thing. Yeah.
That's it. Daddy. Daddy for Shriya Reddy.
He's Rajamanar.
Okay. And Prabhas.
Very sweet, very kind.
Ramcharan.
Again, great actor.
Allu Arjun.
Oh, Bunny is the sweetest. My
Mahesh Babu.
favorite.
Mahesh Babu.
Very nice, yeah, very great. Looks very princely.
Chalo, that's a great journey we had, and thank you again. I
Thank
know
you.
my end goes like this only, saying thank you, but not letting you go. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Keep rocking. She's a rocking girl. For more updates, keep watching. Till then, goodbye.
Yay, Neha!